Actually, I do know. When I was a little kid.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video and the channel. If you're new, smash the subscribe button. Remember, we do have a giveaway going on, sponsored by Oxbeam, a 32-inch light bar and 4 pods. I'll leave a picture in the end of the video so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But basically, you spend $10 on my Shopify, you get 1 entry. You spend 20, you get 2, and so on. If you want a free entry, screenshot the home page of my YouTube channel, post it to Instagram, tag me in it. I'll leave my Instagrams down in the description so you can tag me, and that's 1 free entry. But we are currently on the way to get the new seat for the 79. I'm excited about it. I haven't seen a seat like this in a single cab before, like around town. They're normally just bench seats, but yeah, we're gonna head out there. It's about a 2-hour drive, so I'll pick you guys up once we get a little bit closer. I gotta stop by the bank, grab some money, deposit a check and everything, and then we will be on the road. So I'll see you soon. Okay, guys, we made it up there. I didn't record anything because I mean, I don't like to be like, hey, can I record you? Because it's kind of awkward. But thank you, Nick, for the seat. They are the ones that put on the square body get together in Greens Fork, which is really cool. Once it gets closer to time, I'll put out another announcement for that show. But it's a really nice seat. It's faded a little bit, but I mean, it's from a square body, and I'm just gonna clean it up and toss it in my square body. I'm super excited because I've never seen a set of seats in a single cab square body like this, so it will be a first. But we got to make a couple more stops, then we'll be at the house, and we will, or I'll try and get a video of it. I'm going to shampoo them and basically just clean the seat up. But back at Nick's house, they had square bodies upon square bodies. Their shop was awesome. They had a couple 4-door square bodies. They had one that was all tore apart that they were working on. Super cool to see all that. I would love to have a shop that big that had that many square bodies in it. So that will definitely be a goal of mine. But it's nasty rainy weather right now. We gotta stop at Royal King and grab some stuff, and then we will be home. So I will see you guys then. Peace. Okay, guys, we are back. We have the seat here. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like real quick, and then we're basically gonna take the shop back to it, suck everything up, and basically just clean it up, shampoo it, and yeah, so here's what it looks like. Both sides recline with the little lever. I mean, super nice. We're gonna clean up this wood here. I don't know, I'll probably take this off and sand it down, and then like stain it a darker color. Same with like the cup holder portion here. But this all folds up, so you can have one ginormous like bench seat, and then this here even opens up for a compartment, which is really cool because the newer trucks do this too. So it just kind of gives it a new school vibe to it. But you can tell it's faded because this is like the blue color, and then this here is like a gray almost. So we're just gonna kind of clean it up a little bit. Yeah, so like I said, we're probably going to end up taking all this wood off, sanding it down, probably staining it darker, and then we'll put it all back together. But overall, it's in really good shape. Like I said, we're gonna run the shop back over it. We got the shampooer there. We're gonna get it all cleaned up with, and then probably let it sit a couple of days so it can dry, and if we need to, we can come back with the shop back again and hit it and shampoo it again, and we'll see what we have. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and took these 4 screws out. There's 2 in each cup holder, as you can tell, and then there's 2 back here, and I removed this whole basically center console that would flip up. Yeah, it's pretty cool how it's made. There's screws down here I'm probably gonna take out to remove these side pieces. And then there's a couple screws that, well, there's 4. There's 2 there and then 2 here that will take the cup holder section out, and then we should be able to sand it all down. But I wanted to remove it so I can get it thoroughly cleaned, like up in this crack here and stuff. I'm gonna take the air compressor first and try and blow all the cracks and crevices out, and then I'm gonna come back with the shop vac and probably suck it all up. But I just want to show you guys that. So I'm not 100% sure what color we're gonna go with. I even contemplated painting it black and then doing like a polyurethane over top just to give it that slick finish again, but we'll see. So we're gonna get the air compressor and then we will go from there.
Ryan Little.
Okay guys, so I have my girlfriend Shaylin. She's currently shampooing them. So basically this is what you're going to be doing. You can pick this shampoo up at Walmart. So basically there's just a little button on it and you squeeze it and it sprays it out, and then you can just see it suck it up. But this top half she's done, you can see where like this is done and then this is still dirty, but she's going to basically do the whole seat. And then, like I said, we'll probably run it over with the shop vac again. And then we'll come back if we need to shampoo it for a second time, and then so on, just to get them clean. But I'm going to go over to the other building real quick and show you the parts we have for the 79 while she's doing that. So I'm going to shut you guys off real quick and run over there. Basically in my parts graveyard for the 79, the new fenders, the hood, the old and new core support. We got some light stuff over here. Excuse me, but basically I'm going to show you real quick what I have to patch. So this one is the old one, and as you can tell down here, this support channel is basically all rusted out and gone. It's up into the actual support itself. This new one here to my right, as you can tell, this channel is pretty decent all the way across the bottom, except over here where it's rusted out on the old one, it's rusted on the new one. But this one still solid. I just got, or I have to basically just build a little template to match up, and I'm just gonna basically fill in this gap here. But then we're gonna sand it, we'll POR it, and then yeah. But like I said, we have all these. That's the bottom grill piece. We'll probably paint all that black. Got a headlight there. I don't know if one of those is the overflow tank and one's the washer fluid or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. But there's the new hood. It's got some dings and dents in it, but I'll probably eventually just switch it over to a cow hood. And then these fenders are in excellent shape. We're basically going to clean them up. We'll POR both sides of them, front and back, and then we'll get them tossed on the truck. But I basically just want to show you guys the parts and stuff that we still have to do. I got to get this patched sooner than later because Chad needs it. The bushing kit should be in, so then we can just go ahead and bolt this all back up. And then once the truck's ready, I can just bring it back over here, toss the new seat in it, and then we should be good to go. But I'm going to go back over there and see how Shaylin's coming on those seats, and then we'll pick it up. Okay, as you can tell, the driver's seat looks pretty good. We'll probably have to go over it a couple more times. She's working on the passenger seat here now. We're leaking a little bit, but that's whatever. I did take these armrest pieces off, or whatever you want to call them, that go on the side. Here, I'm going to try and get this sanded down yet tonight. And we'll probably just get, because these things are nasty, and they're not going to be real hard to rewrap. It's just a couple staples and then fold it all under and stuff. But we'll probably try and do something with those. My sister suggested getting like a plastic leather, and wrapping it, kind of give it like a newer style console like you see in like the newer Chevys, like when they switched over to like 2000, I think the 90s, because my 90s still had the fabric on the center console, but I think like 2000s when they finally switched over to like the plastic ones and stuff. But we're gonna check, see if we can find a product for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to sanding this down, and then probably let it dry, and then maybe tomorrow morning we can get some stain put on it. We have some around here, I don't know where it went, but oh yeah, right here. Dark walnut is probably what I'm gonna put on there. There's still some in there, but like I said, we're just gonna get those sanded down, and then hopefully get the seat tossed back together, and you'll be able to see what it looks like once we get it all done, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so Shaylin just got done, and I don't know how you guys will be able to see this. Can you see it on the camera all right? Okay, so that's the dirty water. We're gonna dump it in this bucket and just see what it looks like as it comes out. Yeah, that looks like chocolate milk. That doesn't, yep, yum. If anybody wants chocolate milk, I have some. But we're gonna go ahead and hit the seat one more time, and then probably let it dry tonight and then continue tomorrow. So I'm gonna pick you guys back up on the console when I start to sand it, so you guys can see that process. But she's gonna continue on the seat, so I'll see you over there. Okay guys, well I tried sanding that, but it still got some moisture like sucked up into the wood, so it didn't work out real well. It basically is just like peeling off, as you can see, like right here. So I don't know how well this old wood is going to work. I might have to just kind of create this top template again. Go to town and get a piece of wood, and then basically just carve it out and swap all this over. And then same thing with this one, is just kind of recreate it. It shouldn't be too hard. If I do recreate it, I'll probably do 3 cup holders across here, and then just take this section out. But let me know what you guys think, if I should try and keep it with this old style and just wait for this wood to dry out, or if I should just kind of add my own twist to it and go from there. So let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, as she finishes that up, I'm basically just going to end the video. As you can tell, we have quite a bit of stuff we need to do to get the 79 to where it needs to be. I have to pick up the fuel pump yet from O'Reilly. I got to get that center console fixed. Basically just get the new tank and stuff put in. I got to get a video on it yet. Get the flip shackle on the back, and then get some front end parts. But I'm going to try and keep you guys up to date. I was sick this past week. Didn't have much footage. I had a video I was going to upload, but then when I did the last video, I ended up erasing all my footage from my SD card, and I was like, oh shit. But anyway, remember, we are running a giveaway. It ends February 28th at midnight. Every $10 you spend on my Shopify page, you get an entry. So you spend $20, you get $2, $30, you get 3 entries, and so on and so forth. Excuse me. But if you want a free entry, yes, free entry, go to my YouTube homepage, screenshot it, post it to Instagram, and tag me in it. My Instagrams are down in the description. Just tag me in it, and then send me a screenshot and send me a message on Instagram, because sometimes I don't get the notifications for when you tag me and stuff. But anyway guys, remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.